Now, let's check out our No Fear Fearless move of the game, brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. Not even the presence of Terrence Leather deterred Enrico Villanueva from scoring inside. So Pure Foods will open the second half with their biggest lead of the game, 9-point advantage. 50-41 laban sa Talk and Text Phone Pals. Both teams with 7 wins and 8 losses. Donbel Balano with a runner.
Para sa Talk and Text, konting balasa pa ulit. Kanina hindi natin nakita si Yancy at si Donbel, but they're the guys starting this quarter.
And Leather picks up the loose ball here para sa Phone Pals. Let's find out what both teams talked about at halftime mula kay Magu Marjan.
Actually, Miko, ang nakakwentuhan at pinagkwentuhan namin ng magkabilang coach was the incident doon sa dying seconds ng second quarter. Ito yung foul ba o non-foul na debate na ni Terrence Leather on James Yap. According to Coach Chot Reyes of the Talk and Text Phone Pals, earlier on in the game daw si Lanete, 2 beses tinamaan si Leather and there was no call because there was no advantage. Pero bakit daw si Leather nung tinamaan si Yap na wala ding advantage, tinawagan ng foul? Tinanong naman natin si Coach Ryan Gregorio kung ano nga tingin niya dito, and with a smile, sagot lang sa atin ni Coach RG, a foul is a foul, call it. Back to you guys.
Really depends who you talk to.
Yeah. Always sway to their direction, but apparently there was a whistle that was blown yung dying seconds na yun. Kaya daw, that's why they went to check kung yung whistle na pinito umabot dun sa oras.
Meantime, a foul is called on Yancy De Ocampo, his first, sending Reda Ralimi to the line. You know, what was interesting about the Phone Pals was that ang bilis sila lumabas. Mukhang sandali na sila nag-usap, ano?
And remember,
bilis sila lumabas from the dugout after the buzzer sounded to end the first half.
And remember, si Coach Chot Reyes actually came back to discuss the foul. So by the time he came back into the dugout, mayroon ng minuto na natapyas dun sa break nila sa halftime. Pero sila pa rin yung unang lumabas from their discussion.
Well, whatever it was that they discussed, it must have been short but sweet. As Leather attacks.
Miko, short I'm sure, sweet I'm not.
Terrence Leather will take 2 off the foul by Reda Ralimi. Third personal against the Pure Foods import. Ochot has been known for, I know he's mellowed down a lot, but he's still intense, no doubt about it. He's been known to not talk to teams when he's not happy.
He is the master of trying to get the best out of you. Iba-ibang ginagawa niya ng mga style para makuha niya yung the best out of each player.
Lanete against Belano. 10 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Up by 9 big points. And Lanete fires and scores at TM3.
That's already the second 3-point shot para kay Chico Lanete. Both of the same variety, step back.
Terrence Leather totally anticipated the contact mula kay Ralimi. Pero si Ray Evangelista tatawagan ng foul. His second personal, second team foul laban sa Pure Foods. I also wonder if itong si Terrence Leather can manage to keep his temper in check. Because remember back in the first half, he had a run-in with Villanueva and then he had a run-in with Kirby Raimundo. Even itong si Reda Ralimi, nagtutulakan din silang dalawa.
Well, apparently, Leather doesn't keep you cool. Madali mainit. Uminit.
Hindi naman siguro siya balat siguro sa
Leather nga eh. Ganun mo pa.
Loose ball. Picked up by Yancy De Ocampo. Nag-aabol pa rin ang talk and text dito. And here's Leather. And he scores inside. 21 points for Terrence Leather. Here, turnover para sa Pure Foods. And here's Ray Evangelista. Bola nakuha ni Kirby Raimundo. Lanete overshoots.
And one of the things that Talk and Text Press is able to do is forcing Pure Foods to pick up the pace.
And here's Leather. And he gets the basket plus a foul.
Yun, identical yung naging puntos nito si Terrence Leather kanina. At diferensya ngayon, eto, pagkapasa ka sa kanya ni Mac Cardona, not only did he get the basket, nakakuha pa siya ng foul mula kay Reda Ralini.
At pang-apat na personal foul na po yan ni Reda Ralini. This is a problem para sa Pure Foods because ang daming oras pang natitira dito sa third quarter. Nine and 10 to go in the third period. Lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods, 57-50, but the phone pals showing signs of life here in the early moments of the second half.